not every smart lock is designed for hospitality use. And that's where many people get it wrong. A smart lock for a home and a smart lock for a hotel may look same, but there's a very different purposes. In a home, access was managed by a small numbers of users, but in hotels, guests was check in and check out every day. So, the access needs to be updated frequently, managed efficiently, and the system must integration with the hotel operation. That's why hospitality project requires more than smart lock. They need a whole system that can support guest turnover, remote management, temporary access credential, and seamless integration with daily operation. With Raizo Smart Access Solution, hotels and hospitality operators can streamline the access management, improve guest experience, and reduce reliance on manual processes. With over than 30 years in suppliers hotel industry, we are international brand that has countless hotel projects in Malaysia and Singapore, such as the Zenith Hotel, the Granite Luxury Hotel, and others. If you are managing the hotel, DM us now for more detail.